In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Klaviyo, a leading platform for email marketing, especially tailored for e-commerce businesses. If you're looking to engage with your audience through newsletters, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and take you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Start by heading over to the Klaviyo website and entering your credentials. It's really important to make sure you're entering the correct information to access your account, as your campaign data and settings are all stored securely here. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab. This is your central hub for all things related to your email campaigns. Here, you'll be able to create, manage, and review all your marketing initiatives. Clicking on the Campaigns tab will give you a good overview of your existing campaigns and their performance metrics. Now, it's time to create a campaign. Go ahead and click on the Create Campaign button. This is the exciting part where you get to dive into creating content that will connect with your audience. You'll then be prompted to select the type of campaign you want to create. Since we're focused on newsletters today, choose email as the campaign type. This ensures that you are setting up the right kind of communication directed towards your subscribers. Next, you'll need to name your campaign. Think of a name that's descriptive and easy to identify, as this will help you manage and track your campaigns in the future. Once you've named it, click Create Campaign. This will set up your campaign within Klaviyo's system, ready for more customization. After creating the campaign, you will need to choose a list or segment to send the newsletter to. This is a crucial step as it determines who receives your newsletter. Make sure to select a list or segment that best matches the content of your newsletter to ensure relevance and engagement. Once your audience is selected, click Continue to Content. This will bring you to the content creation phase, where the real magic happens. Here, you have the choice to use Klaviyo's intuitive drag-and-drop editor or pick from their range of pre-made templates. This flexibility allows you to either craft something from scratch or use a beautifully designed starting point. Design your newsletter to match your brand style and message. When you're satisfied with how it looks, make sure to hit Save and Continue. It's always a good practice to save frequently to avoid losing your hard work. Finally, you have the option to either schedule your newsletter for later or send it immediately. If you choose to schedule, pick a date and time that fits your strategy. If your audience is more likely to open emails at a certain time, make sure to send it then. Otherwise, go ahead and send it right away. And that's it. You've successfully created and prepared to send out a newsletter via Klaviyo. With these steps, you can effectively communicate with your audience, keeping them informed and engaged with your brand. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.